Good morning, gentlemen. This is just a short video to show the works that are progressing in the church. As you can see, the short wall has been completely plastered. This is on the northern side, southern side also. This was not part of the original plan, but it was done however. The altar is completed except for the tiling, which will be done after. We have decided to paint the altar, and this is basically why we're asking for some sort of donation. See, the entire altar is almost completely painted. The small one is also now on the yes. Now the northern wall already put a coat, and we intend to continue working in the same area. The entire idea, however, is to complete the main body of the church, and then we can tackle the north and south afterward.
More bright now.
Yeah. So, gentlemen, we're here. Works are progressing, and we would like to see this completed.